Hey Greg,
Hey Dad,
how you doing?
doing well. How are you?
Not bad. Nice
All right.
little reversal today of things.
Yeah, yesterday's close was not a good thing, and then today's entire action pretty much was pretty strong, all things considered.
Yeah, from about 1 o'clock, it looks like the programs turned on at 1 o'clock p.m. and just from that point forward, retail started buying, and it looks like the institutional started buying almost about on the money at quarter to two, and you can see what that did. So, and they
Yep.
bought into the close. So
Yep.
still very choppy, but not bad. So
Yep. I think futures are a little lower right now on some lockdown curfew news, but still holding. So,
yeah, that and stimulus. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on that isn't necessarily great.
yep.
Well, let's take a look at a couple of these. Um, so here's the Compex for the day.
Yeah, it looks like we got an accumulation day after yesterday's distribution day, so
Yep,
that's nice.
yep. Nice off of the 10 day.
Yep, exactly. Good support there, which is always impressive to see.
Yep. Hopping over to the SPX.
Yep, not quite an accumulation day
Nope.
because volume was lower than yesterday, but still good support off the 10-day.
Yeah, it stepped back in
And
there.
yeah, and closing near high of day. So that's always a good thing.
Always a good thing. And then I note with some interest that when we take a look at IBD's power trend criteria, we've got a new signal on the power trend for the SPX, which
Yep.
typically doesn't whipsaw. I went back and looked and a few weeks ago, and this normally doesn't fail. Watch it fail tomorrow because of everything. But
Um,
yeah, well, we'll see.
that would
Um,
that would be the character of this market.
when it Here's the small caps again, low volume like the SPX, but still up day, finished near the top of the range. It's good. What would you
That's
like to
great.
look at? You want to just run down our holdings here?
Yeah, so we're in go. Or yeah, go Tesla real quick. Just a very small position, tracker position, Tesla.
Yeah,
Decided to decrease exposure significantly yesterday on the close and didn't do any more buying today. But
right.
yeah, it's
3 days
Tesla's
of
holding
buying.
its own.
Yep, 3 days
Yep.
of buying. I mean, that's pretty solid.
Yeah. I would just highlight on Tesla the inability to get over 500 to close today.
Yep, four
So
ninety
just gonna
nine
be
twenty
watching.
seven. Yep.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get some pivot over there. But yep.
Take a look at GoGo here.
Or yeah, so this is gonna be traded versus 10. So obviously it closed below today, but it's being held tightly, and we'll see how it acts. If it's not popping tomorrow, it'll just be cutting at the weekend.
Right. Yep. Although that convergence of the 21 and the 50 is a
Yeah.
pretty powerful support.
Yep, looks good down there.
Yeah, I'm just not seeing the love in the volume.
Nope.
How about Snap? You want to go there?
Sure.
That's nice. Oh yeah, look at that. Top of the
Yeah.
range, some good volume.
Yep. Snap was great today. One of the best out there.
Yeah, very good. All right, take a look at pins.
Penn's another good one. Closed all-time highs. That's
Yeah,
that's a win.
yeah, it is a win. That is definitely a win. No
Still would
question.
like to note on pins the lack of volume, which isn't necessarily incredibly worrisome, but I wouldn't be surprised if we got a nice little shakeout or something.
Right. Yep. Yep. Interesting. Yeah, I know a lot of stocks today had what are called pocket pivots, which is where you have the strongest up volume in the last either 5 or 10 days. I actually run a 5 day pocket pivot. Sono,
Classic.
yeah, just had earnings yesterday. 10.8 times on volume. So that's the highest relative volume that we've seen out of all the stocks today. And this is, as you said earlier, off camera, that this was certainly the most volume that we've had for this stock, even compared back here on 622. So not buyable right now, but would have loved to have try to get a piece of this, but we'll see what happens going forward here.
Sure.
Billy was in the same category, 5.2 times relative volume. Look at that movement, 50 all the way up to 58. So
incredible,
huge jump. Yeah, huge jump. And now we're clearly there. It's gonna have to work really hard for us to get in this one. We're gonna have to work hard to get in this one. It may take off. Who knows? Certainly not going to chase it from here. Another pocket pivot at 4.8 volume today. Certainly looks great. During the day, came down, took back off, and closed in the upper half there. That's beautiful. Again, on significant volume. So another great one. Look at all the pocket pivots that are firing here. This is amazing. Look at all this buying that's been going on into this. And they had earnings before the open this morning. So, we'll see what happens. We did get some dipping action, but it did finish in at least the upper 50% on pretty high volume. So,
yeah, I'm impressed with this one for sure.
Yeah. So what are you thinking for tomorrow?
Well, it's kind of the same thing I've said every night. Just kind of take it day by day, stock by stock, and see what's holding up the best. Obviously, we have the ones we're tracking, which we've highlighted every video so far, but always looking to see what's holding up well versus the market and what's shaping up well. I think there's still, obviously with a day like today, it's really easy to think every stock's probably going to make all-time high pushes soon, but we have to know that we're in a range-bound market still, and bases will most likely just be an up and down fest of emotion. So we have to keep those in check and just trade what levels are in front of us and not be super bearish and not be super bullish, but really just take what's in front of us.
Exactly. Well, very good. Well, tomorrow's another day. We'll see what happens.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, have a good night.
You as well.